Russia celebrated its 75th Victory Day on 24th June with a huge parade with the participation of military units from 19 different countries, including China and India. So this is going to be a very colorful episode with visuals of the parade from Moscow. But before we get to that, what is Victory Day? Victory Day actually marks the end of the Second World War and the victory of the Allied forces in 1945. Adolf Hitler shot himself on April 30th, and on May 7th, German troops surrendered, which was formally accepted the next day and came into effect on May 9th. So, usually Russia celebrates its Victory Day in May 9th with a stunning parade. The first victory parade to commemorate this victory took place in June 24, 1945 in Moscow. So even if this year's Victory Day parade did not take place on May 9th as usual, it took place on June 24th, which is also a very significant date in the Russian history. Actually, this year the celebrations were pushed to June 24th because of the COVID-19 pandemic, and in November 2019, Russian President Vladimir Putin actually invited the Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi to attend the Victory Day celebration. Modi could not travel to Moscow, but he wished Putin on May 9th through a tweet. And Defence Minister of India Rajnath Singh attended the parade. The celebrations included about 64,000 participants. In Moscow, about 13,000 military personnel marched through the Red Square and 50,000 more troops marched through 27 other cities that have military units. This year's parade is special for Vladimir Putin because in a week, Russia will hold a nationwide vote on constitutional amendments that would allow him to stay in power beyond 2024 when his current term expires. Usually, thousands of people gather to watch the parade, but this year they were asked to watch the parade from home. And the war veterans who were invited to attend the function were also tested for COVID-19. The military personnel who were a part of the parade were kept in isolation for weeks during rehearsals just to avoid contact with anyone not directly involved with the event. The Moscow parade featured about 13,000 military personnel, and we saw that earlier. And along with this 13,000 military personnel, there were 234 armored vehicles and 75 aircraft, and also units from most of the ex-Soviet republics as well as from China, Mongolia, Serbia and India. So with this piece of information, let me show you the highlight visuals of this parade now.
Товарищ Верховный Главнокомандующий Вооруженными силами Российской Федерации, войска Московского гарнизона Параду Победы готовы. Министр обороны генерал армии Шойгу. Вольно!
Слава поколению, победившему нацизм! Слава героям Отечественной войны! Ура!
Офицеры в форме участников парада подборческих сил Азербайджанской Республики. Возглавляет парадный расчет майор Самик Мамедов. Через горнило войны Республики Беларусь. Командует парадным расчетом старший лейтенант Владислав Шепелевич. На Красной площади парадный расчет 3 видов индийских вооруженных сил под командованием майора Анджума Горка из Сикского полка легкой пехоты. В 1944 году 2 военнослужащих Индии за храбрость награждены орденами Красной Звезды. Казахстан представляет парадный расчет.
Парад! Смирно! Для встречи слева! На краю! Поздравляю вас с 75-й годовщиной победы в Великой Отечественной войне!
I get very excited when there is anything related to defense happening anywhere in the world, and obviously defense is my specialty too. There is something in that marching band and that disciplined formation that gives me goosebumps every time I see it. Hope you all enjoyed this episode as much as I did, and stay connected with us for more such brilliant updates.